Guys, welcome to my first vlog. Ang init. Or not kasi dito, pero nakakapag-vlog ako. First vlog ko lang to guys. Ito para gagawin natin. First parang vlog to, hindi na to part 1. Yung mga crickets. Yan, crickets. Mag-comment na lang kayo kung anong gagamitin. Ipakita ko pala yung spray natin. Sponge. Lagay ng cricket. Tapos, ito natin ilalagay pag na pili natin yung kulay ng cricket. At guys, subscribe mo kayo kung idol nyo to. Ang bias ko yan. So, yata to eh. Hindi ko alam. But meron tayong spoon na pink, yellow, white, and dark yellow. So, sabi ko rin yung kulay ng crickets. Have a green. Green yan guys ha. Red. Purple. Blue. Brown. Yellow. And white. Orange. That's all guys. And subscribe naman. Bye-bye. Sa part 1. Bye-bye.